Input Larry Williams position sizing method in the portfolio for multi-charts. As we have this position sizing method in a strategy level, it's also available on a portfolio level. Obviously, in a strategy level, we have discussed in previous videos, per strategy, you can use a percent of profits to increase your base position size. But you can also do it in a portfolio level with many different strategies, hundreds of strategies, using position sizing based on profits in the portfolio. So it works really well in the portfolio version. So just for an example, this is what it looks like without any position sizing from the Larry Williams position sizing input. This is just the 3 strategies. After 2 losses, it will take a trade, and this is what you get. Here's the equity curve, 14,000. Now let's look at an example once we put the Larry Williams. So I'm going to bring the portfolio down, and you'll see we set Larry Williams position size switch to true. We're using 30% of the portfolio for our base position size, and we're using our maximum loss or stop loss at $50, and maximum position size is 10,000. It works the same as in the strategy level. So true to turn it on. 30 is taking 30% of the investment, the original investment in your portfolio, plus the profits. It takes 30% of that and divides by the maximum loss. Now, your maximum drawdown is by default if it's set to 0, but if it's set at 50, it will calculate by dividing into that number. It could be your stop loss or just a multiplier. So the 10,000 maximum position size, depending on your settings, it can go way up above where you want to possibly be trading versus position sizing. So that just puts a cap on it. So as you can see, once we have that, we'll bring down the results. And this is the results. Now recall, without it was 14,000 in profits. With it, 79,000. Same trades. Everything stayed the same. Nothing changed, but only the position size by using a percentage of profits in the portfolio. There's your graph. The graph looks exactly the same. Nothing changed. It's just the amount of dollars you made. You will have a greater drawdown, of course. This is a great method because it uses profits, which is important, but I do recommend that this not be used by itself because obviously you'll be taking your highest position sizes at the worst time when you're going to get a drawdown and have big dips in equity. So there needs to be other money management inputs in place to prevent crashes in the portfolio. But this is just for presentational purpose to show just by itself the power of this and how it can increase substantially the money you can make in your portfolio or strategy, that be said.